Hi, I'm Olivia. Today's lesson is about using WH questions with to be. We use WH questions in everyday communication, so let's learn about this together. Here's my cousin. You've not met him before, so let's ask him some questions to find out more about him. What is your name?
I'm Peter.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
When is your birthday?
On the 10th of May.
Let's look at the questions and responses. Let's focus on the underlined words. What information do we know about my cousin? That's right. We know his name is Peter. He's from England and his birthday is on the 10th of May. The first question begins with what and is asking information about a name. It begins with WH. The second question begins with where and it is asking information about a place. It begins with WH. The third question starts with when and it is asking information about a date. It begins with WH. So, what is a WH question and when do we use WH questions? Take your time. You're right. A WH question is a question that begins with the letters W and H and is used to get information. We use WH questions to find out information so we have a better understanding about a person, place, or thing. Let's look at some examples. What is your favorite color? Who is he? Where is the phone? Let's move on. So, how can you make a WH question with to be? Let's take a look at an example from before. Where are you from? In this example, the WH question word is first and it is followed by the verb to be. Look at the table to see how WH questions are made. Why are you here today? To learn English. Who is your best friend? My best friend is a dog and he's called Mango. This is the first way we can make WH questions with the verb to be. Let's look at another example. To find out where someone is from, we can also ask, which country are you from? In the second example, the WH question word is first, followed by a noun, and then the verb to be. Look at the table to see how WH questions followed by nouns are made. What time is it? Which city is warmer? Whose pen is it? Now, just before we go, let's check the different types of WH questions and when we use them. In the table, there are 7 types of WH question words. Let's go over when we can use them. What is used to get general information. Where is used to know a place. When is for time. Who is for the person. Which is for choice. Why is for reason. And whose is to find out about possession. Let's look at some examples. Who is in the office today? Why is Tom late? WH questions are important in English. There are other question words that can be used as well. You can ask questions with how in English. Here are some examples. How are you? How much is the chocolate cake? Now you can use WH questions with to be. Today, we learned what is a WH question, when we can use WH questions with the verb to be, types of WH questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!